This will be for the con exercise, Rational Exponents Challenge. So they want us to say which expressions are equivalent to the 7th root of v to the 3rd. Choose all answers that apply. So I am going to convert this into a fractional exponent. All right. And basically, when you have an exponent that's a fraction, the numerator of the fraction is the actual exponent. All right, I'll do it right here. The numerator is the actual exponent, and the denominator is the root. Okay? So we have the letter v here, and we're going to make a fraction exponent. So the exponent is in the numerator. We can see the exponent is 3. And the denominator is the root. We can see the root here is 7. So that is the same as v to the 3 over 7. Now it says choose all answers that apply. So it might be more than one. We're going to convert each answer, and see which ones match. All right. So this one here, when you have a variable or a number with an exponent and you raise that to another exponent, you just multiply the exponents. So this is going to be 3 times 1/7. Okay, that's the same as 3 over 1 times 1 over 7. Okay, 3 times 1 is 3, and 1 times 7 is 7. So 3 times 1 over 7 is going to be 3/7. All right, we can see that A matches. Answer B, we're going to convert that to a fraction. Okay, we keep the v. The exponent is in the numerator. We can see the exponent is 7. And the root is in the denominator. We can see the root is 3. Okay, 7/3 does not match 3/7, so it's not B. Answer C is v to the 3/7. Nothing we have to do, so we can see that answer C matches. And finally, answer D is none of the above, which is obviously not true. So the answers are A and C. All right, which expressions are equivalent to d to the 1/8 to the 5th power? Okay, as we said a minute ago, if you have something with an exponent and you raise that to the exponent, another exponent, you just multiply the exponents. So we're going to keep d, and this is going to be 1/8 times 5. Okay, 1/8 times 5, and that is just 5/8. So that is the exponent on d, d to the 5/8. All right, so we're going to check and see which ones are the same. So let's see on the first one. If you recall from last time, when you make a fraction exponent, the numerator is the exponent and the denominator is the root. Okay, so right here we have d, and the numerator is the exponent. We can see the exponent on this is 5. And the denominator is the root. We can see the root is 8. So answer A clearly matches. All right, keep going here. Answer B, we're going to multiply these exponents. We have d. Okay, and you just multiply these exponents. 5 times 1/8 is 5/8. D to the 5/8 matches. Answer B is good. And finally, answer C. Again, we're just multiplying exponents. You keep the d. When you have something with an exponent raised to another exponent, you just multiply. 5 times 8 is 40. That does not match d to the 5/8, so it's not C. And D is none of the above. All right, so just A and B. All right, so they want us to match K to the negative 1/6. All right, choose all answers that apply. So let's see right here. We have K. Okay, and we just multiply exponents. Negative 1 times 1/6 is negative 1/6. And our original was K to the negative 1/6. All right, so A is good. Answer B. Remember the numerator is the exponent, and the denominator is the root. Okay, so we have K, and we're going to make the fraction exponent. The numerator is the exponent, that's negative 1. The denominator is the root, that's positive 6. K to the negative 1/6 matches, so B is good. All right, finally, answer C. If you recall, when we did the negative exponents, okay, you can take this whole thing, K to the 6th, and shift it into the numerator. And you change the plus minus sign on the 6. So 1 over K to the 6th, if we move the K to the 6th up, it becomes K to the negative 6. All right, so that's it. It's just K to the negative 6, but that does not match K to the negative 1/6. All right, so answer C does not match. And answer D is none of the above, so it's just A and B.